How to make money online
So,
without
how do
any
you make
capital.
money
Part
with
1.
no capital? So, is it possible to make money without any capital? I've been asked questions like this on different occasions. So, I'll be explaining to you two kind of businesses or two kind of things that you should do to be making money without any capital. These two things doesn't require any capital. Though, if you have capital to invest in these two stuff, it will be very yeah, okay. It will be very awesome, but it doesn't really require capital. Okay, so the first one is drop servicing. So you've been hearing of drop shipping, and perhaps maybe you have a little idea about drop shipping, how drop shipping works. That's the same thing that is applicable to drop servicing. Okay, so in drop servicing, what you do is simply having ideas about different businesses, different skills, different things that people do. Then you market those skills and be making money. You serve as a middleman, just like a real estate agent. Okay, so let's say for instance, graphics design. You are not a graphics designer, but you are like a middle person. You are a mediator between a graphics designer and a the customer or the company that is looking for a graphics designer, or somebody that is looking for a graphics designer. Okay, that's the same thing with different other services, web design, software developer, different other services. So what you do, your job is for you to be a middle person between those two, between the person requiring or looking for that service and the person rendering that service. So you get that service at a cheaper rate, then you resell the service at an higher rate. So that's what drop servicing is all about. Though to make it more professional, you can start with having a website. You can have a website that will make it more professional. Okay, that will require you bringing in capital. Though there are some platforms that you can set up business for, websites for free. There are platforms you can set up websites for free, but it doesn't really require website due to your kind of connection, due to how you are able to build your social audience. So drop servicing is um, one service or one skill you should
Follow for
master this
part
year and be
2.
making money. Follow me for the next skill that I'll be sharing with you on how to make money with no capital. All right.